Hey, what's going on, guys? Bennie Child's founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects Trading Community, and we're just here making money off of the announcement from President Trump about the coronavirus. And so we are scalping. We're scalping right now the S&P 500. So, and I'm using my workflow trading strategy. So that's kind of what's going on right now. So we're at a guaranteed 9, guaranteed 1038, and what I'm kind of doing here is as it breaks price point and also structure, I am managing the stop loss here. So we'll take this. If we get stopped out there, we'll take that. Awesome. See, this is basically structure that's being produced for us right here, real time. So whenever you see it goes up, come down, and if we can get it just to push through that, that'll be fine. All right. And so that's kind of what I'm basing it off of. I can't really see anything to the left here anymore without minimizing it. So we still have this area right here. See, I'm trying to do this and manage that. So total 22. Got to have a guaranteed 10. But again, just to show you guys, we're now at this zone right here. So, oh, it pushed right through it. So that's pretty cool. It's pushing through that zone. So I like that we have structure at this price point right here. Okay, we're gonna see how far of a price point they want to take it. We're at $26 again. This is fairly simple. You know, it's elementary, especially with the small lot size. But you guys see, it doesn't take a lot to make money. You know, it haven't even been an hour yet. How long have I been recording this for you guys? What, 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes now? We're already at $30, and people, you know, people think that that's a pretty good job, right? So it's broken this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just bring it up a little bit more. Let's see. So we're at $16 guaranteed right now out of the 36. So I'm listening to the announcement while this is going on. So I don't know, I guess maybe the top 500 companies in the US may be all pharmaceutical companies right now. And so yeah, stock is going, the S&P 500 is doing pretty good right now. It's been doing good pretty much all day. It's been going up. So, and you guys can see that my indicator spotted this in the early part of the day. So, so yeah, let's see if we can get it to give us some kind of structure. So we kind of had a rally here. Let's see if we can get a base. This is a small base. That's all we need. This is pretty good here because we have it wicked out here at this price point, and we see where this last 1 minute candle it did open up above 26.25. So let's see. I kind of want to wait for the base to come down because I really don't know what's going across there, but I will go ahead, guys, and move that up to the 30 mark, to the $30 mark. So we're doing pretty good off of 10 cents. All right, we're at $44. All right, who makes $44 an hour? Okay, we're at $30.77. And guys, here I'll let you guys take a listen to it. Take my Bluetooth off. Well, I guess it doesn't want to play. All right, I'm trying to play this for you guys. You guys can hear my family in the background talking, but it's all good, right? We're all family here. It's all love. I'm not trying to be perfect YouTuber. All right, so we're gonna let this come down. See if it's gonna make a base for us. All right, this is pretty good. It's wicking out at 26.25, so it could be going up for us a little more. Let's see. Let me see. See if we have any more structure. Excuse me. All right, that's pretty good. It's wicking out because it's making a zone for us here real time. So I'm gonna stay back behind this one right here just to give it a little room. So now granted, it can come all the way back here to test, or like I said, I do have an exhaustion indicator here letting me know that the market is pretty much exhausted, and if it goes any higher, it's because of the market makers wanting it to go higher. So so again, this indicator, it just does just that. It indicates when it thinks the market is at an exhaustion point. So as you guys know, I like to use volume and TDI as confluences as far as exhaustion and things of that nature. So awesome. Yep. See, kept going. So we're gonna move this up a little bit more. All right. Yep. 26.25. So yep. We're at it's going over the 26.25 price point S&P 500. All right, we're looking good, guys. We're at $57. All right, $205 equity if we go ahead and close out now. But we're gonna, we don't have to catch the whole move. But I'll catch as much as possible. So as much as possible. So let's see let's see if I jump on the 5 minute, if I can see some structure starting to come into play. So yeah, we have this this wick point 26.50 got wicked out. All right, just trying to make its way on to 26.75 here. Last week tried to pull back, but now we see where it's pulling back even more. Let me go ahead and drop back down to the 1 minute chart so I can watch my 1 minute structures. All right, I like this little zone that was there at 26.25. All right, right now we're at a guaranteed profit of $40.23. We've been recording for 8.5 minutes. All right, so I know some of you guys are out there balling and you make $40 an hour, but we just beat you. All right, we did it in 8 minutes. All right, so that gives us what, 52 minutes left. All right, so you have a whole 52 minutes left to make $40. All right, so but we're doing this. We're trading, and this is trading stock. All right, my wife actually was talking to me about stocks and things of that nature, and I told her, I prefer to, if I was gonna have stock, I would prefer to day trade, and I'd pretty much do it trading Forex, because the broker that I use gives us access to various stocks, all right, and indexes. So me personally, I prefer to day trade and take the profits and put the profit inside of an interest-bearing savings account, something like an IRA, or traditionally, you might think about using bonds, but that all has to do with the U.S. economy, and I really don't have much confidence in the U.S. economy. Yeah, we're getting a pretty good run here, guys. Again, I'm gonna leave it here. Again, I'm waiting for another base to come, and then I'll put it up under the base, and so we'll go from there. All right. I'm sorry if I'm rushing, guys, but just got in from grocery shopping, trying to grab our essentials. That's being recommended for us. Okay, it looks like we're gonna get another base, so. But I just really wanted to hurry and get this video recorded for you guys. Again, I want it to be an inspiration. If you say that you don't have, a lot of money to begin with, then I want to show you that you don't need a lot. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that here. All right. And so we're at a guaranteed 56. We're at $75 now. Okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and bring this right up under here. Okay. We're at a guaranteed $60, $60.15. All right. How many of you guys make $60 an hour? All right. You make $60 an hour. I just made it in 11 minutes. All right. I just made that in 11 minutes. So you still have $49, 49 minutes to make your $60, but we just did it. You see it live here. You see it live here off of a 10-cent lot size. Now, this is because of the volatility, okay? All right, this is because of the volatility. And that's one reason why I do like the S&P 500. So this is really this is good timing, all right? Your skills, your knowledge, your know-how, all right? Plus good timing. To God be the glory. You guys know that I'm a Christian, I have faith, so to God be the glory. Good timing that we're able to get in here. Okay, we're able to get in here and to make a profit. Right now we're at an overall profit of $88 with a guaranteed profit of $60.15. Okay, and I'm just letting it go up, waiting for structure to be created. All right, bam, wait for structure to be created. Okay, and that's one thing again about my exhaust indicator. Okay, it just indicates. Okay, it indicates for us. It just lets us know. It gives us an alarm, and it's up to us to go and check market cycle. Check market structure cycle and manipulation. Okay. All right. See, we've already passed our last peak. Our last previous peak, so that's pretty good. But we're at the highest point for the week. Let's see what the highest point for last week was. Way up here at 31.25. All right, I don't know if we're gonna get there today or not, but I don't know why.
Spectrum, and today,
you guys
with this
probably don't want to hear that and me talking
partnership,
anyway.
we have laid the foundation to meet
Okay,
that
awesome.
need.
We got a good base here.
For Americans looking
I love to see
by
a
this
wick.
Sunday evening, we'll be able to give specific guidance on when the website will be available. You can go to the website, as the president said. You'll type in your symptoms and be given direction whether or not a test is indicated. And then at the same website, you'll be directed to one of these incredible
this is a guaranteed
companies that are going to give a little bit of their parking lot.
And the beautiful thing about this is if we get stopped out here, then we wait for confirmation to catch it on the downside. So again, I love trading with an ECN broker. All right, I love trading Forex. All right. It not only gives me access to the world of foreign exchange, but I also get access to the world of stock. So it's all good. All right, and I'm really loving the S&P 500. I stumbled upon this because of a gentleman who's a part of a group that I'm also a part of. For motivation, inspiration, and being able to bounce ideas and things of that nature with other Forex traders. But he's killing the what is that? What is that thing called? The volatility 75. All right, and so I don't have a foreign account. I'm a U.S. resident, so I can't get an account to trade that, and so I began looking for. So now we're at a guaranteed $70. Who makes $70 an hour? Who makes $70 an hour? We've made that in 14 minutes. All right, so you roughly have 45 minutes left to make your $70 an hour. All right, make your $70 an hour. Hey guys, if you make $200 a day, that's $1,000 a week. $2,000 every 2 weeks, $4,000 every month. Okay? $48,000 a year sitting at your computer. All right? So, and that's at a minimum. Now, that doesn't mean that you're gonna make $200 every day. You know, one day you may make 500, and the next day you may only make 100. But you're at $600. So, out of 2 days of work, you have enough for your 3 days. So, all right, nice little wick there at $26.75. So I'm gonna come just below here, but you know, really, you know, I'm looking at the price point, but I'm looking at that wick right there. I want that wick to go up some more. We got 17 seconds left. All right, we're at a total of $103 with a guarantee $87. So I want to know who makes $87 an hour. All right, we just made that in 16 minutes. All right, we just made that in 16 minutes. Okay. All right, I just want that to keep going. The market is going crazy today, guys. Ah, yes. See, I love it. I love it when the high gets taken out like that. I love it when the high gets taken out like that. Keep going, baby. All right. I guess that everyone is liking what Trump is saying.
Resources to combat this terrible virus, and the flexibilities we are offering will be a godsend to the providers.
Listen, and
and facilities.
I love the loan factor that he's pumping into the
is going to be issuing guidance directing
in the private
sector
sector.
Temporarily
So
restrict all visitors and non-essential personnel,
so
with a few exceptions such as end-of-life
my
situations.
apologies. You know, my family is here in the U.S., so that sucks. You know, for individuals who may have children or family members or parents,
but we are doing
grandparents,
what we must to protect our vulnerable
who
elderly.
can't travel.
Thank you.
But we have to do what we have to do to protect
And I said in my
the
address
overall health
to the nation the
of
other
the
night,
nation. So.
all Americans have a role to play in
All right,
defeating
so
this
we're
virus.
at a guaranteed
Most effective weapon
$91
right now is
out
to
of
limit the damage to our
115.
people
So who makes $91 an hour?
And
All
slowly
right,
spread
we
of
just
the
made that
virus.
in 17 minutes, almost 18
The
minutes.
choice we make, the precautions we put into place are critical.
So
to
hey, I'm
overcoming
hoping that we get another.
reducing its
Let that be
spread
the
and
base, and
shortening
we
the
get another
duration
run up.
of the pandemic,
Okay.
which is what it is. The CDC has published guidelines on the coronavirus.gov to enable its coronavirus.gov,
So
and it's very heavily used right now, I will say, to enable every American to respond to this epidemic and to protect
yes,
themselves.
it's
their
really
families, and
sad
their
what's going on
communities.
with this
While
coronavirus.
the risks to young and healthy Americans remains
Prayer
very low.
definitely goes out
We've
to
learned a lot
everyone
about this
who's
over the
having
last
to
2
deal with
weeks.
that.
Anyone can be
Prayer I don't
a
have
carrier
to.
for the virus
If anyone
and
in my
risk
family,
transmission to older
however,
Americans and those
God
with
is sovereign.
underlying
and,
health conditions,
I know that
and
his
those who are most at risk.
desire
They
is
have
for
not
his
done
people to be
very well. Older
healthy. So
Americans who are, especially if they
prayer
have
prayer definitely goes out to you individuals who may be having to
we
deal
must
with the
take all
coronavirus.
precautions and be responsible
I do
for the
pray
actions
for
that we
God's
take
virtuous healing,
that we see other
just to
people take.
overtake your body.
We want to prevent the spread
and,
and transmission of the disease.
Pray that you be healed in Jesus' name.
Incredible what's what's happening with the sporting world, where
All
so
right.
many of the
So
great
we
sports
are
that
at
we've gotten so used to at
$91.
this time of the
You see
year.
how the market kind of is slowing down now
Great
because
service, actually, but that would be
it's more of
way
a
that it could be.
sentimental time right now.
Problems could be
I
caused.
look at that kind of stuff.
But this is why I outlined on Wednesday night my administration's
Let me see where we at.
fact that we've issued a requirement suspending all medically unnecessary visits.
We're at a guaranteed $104.
Various places, but
All right, and
particular
90 cents. Who
nursing
makes
homes.
$100 an hour?
We
just
should
did
all
it
be
in
working on the same
19
playbook
minutes.
when it comes to
Okay?
protecting Americans.
We just did it in 19 minutes.
We need to be consistent in adopting measures.
$104.
The virus is
So
the same way
we're
that it's spreading.
already looking at a total of $190 profit so far for the day.
No matter where you go.
All right, I've been trading off and on and enjoying my boys on their spring break. Like I said, just got back from the grocery store and kind of plopped down at the chart at the computer and kind of saw that we had some opportunity coming in here, and also it was coincidental that the announcement was coming for. So,
Their employees and their students.
so to God be the glory, man. You know, hey, I know the guy is not, you know, all in the stocks and trading and things of that nature, but I know that he's into me, and so I don't take this by happenstance. So it's pretty good. I'm just excited because of this small account that I have. So
and lunch for schools that aren't canceled. Limited in-person meetings.
so it's kind of ranging across right now.
Work, sponsored travel.
See if we can get that taken out. We're at a total of $116 profit with a guaranteed if I can get this to pop up. I know you guys can't see it. $104.90. Let's go ahead and make it 105. All right, so $105.55. It's a guaranteed $155. All right. We're at 191. Let's see if we can get 200. So let's see if we can get to that 200 mark. All right.
Learn, and we will turn a
Maybe we
corner
can get to that 200 mark.
on this virus. Some of the doctors say it will wash through, it will flow through. Interesting terms. And
You know, our data is, you know, showing this too. It's ironic that this was able to pop up here before, guys, before the announcement.
we live in the company of the greatest heroes and the most inspiring
That's a little
citizens anywhere in the world.
too coincidental to me, right?
We want to draw on the strength of our history, draw on the strength of
We're at
our
110, a guaranteed 105.
Through this all together, we will
So
just get through it. So much progress.
we can always
is
hop
already
back
been
in.
made. Frankly, the numbers, because
How I
it's
would
such
hop back in.
are at a level that a lot of people are surprised, especially when you compare them with other places.
And if you hop back in, you know,
Far smaller
you're almost
The spirit
giving
and
away
will of our
money,
nation
but
is
giving it
unbreakable.
back. But
We will defeat
I
this
will
threat.
wait for a price
America's tested America
to break
rises
this
to
zone
the
here.
occasion.
Come on
To
top.
those families
Come
and
back to
citizens
retest
who are
and shoot up and then get
concerned
in.
for themselves and their
Put my
loved
stop
ones, I
loss
want you to
here.
know that
Okay.
your federal government will unleash
That's just
every
being greedy.
authority, resource, and tool at
All right.
its
That's just
disposal
being greedy. So
to safeguard the lives and health of our people.
we'll see if it's gonna.
So we're with you every step of the way. No nation is more prepared or more equipped to
See if
face
it's
down
gonna give
this
us
crisis.
structure
As
here.
you know, we are rated #1 in the world. We're also helping other nations. Many other nations, we're helping them a lot. And they're doing okay in some cases. In some cases, they're not doing well at all. But we're working with a lot
It
of
may come back around on this,
people
but
and a lot of other nations. With faith and heart and hope and love and
Never know.
determination, we will succeed, we will prevail, we will be very, very successful, and we'll learn for the future. Thank you all very much. If you have
Amen.
any questions, we can take some. Go ahead, John, please. And if you'd like to ask some of the folks up here, would be fine, please.
Mr. President, where are you with the House bill? Yesterday, we talked to you in the Oval Office. You were opposed to it. What has happened since then, and what's the holdup on that?
Well, we just don't think they're giving enough. We don't think the Democrats are giving enough. We're negotiating. We thought we had something, but all of a sudden, they didn't agree to certain things that they agreed to. So we could have something, but we don't think they're giving enough. They're not doing what's right for the country.
And if I could ask Dr. Fauci?
Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Mr. President. You just mentioned waiving interest for student loans.
Yeah.
You talked about buying oil from the SPR or adding to the SPR. What other specific targeted measures is your administration thinking about taking? The Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin said today that you're just in the second inning of things that you might be undergoing.
That's true, and we are looking at many different things, as you know. You know, some of them they've been written about very widely, but we're going to be releasing a paper in about 2 hours stating quite a few other steps, very important ones. Please, go ahead.
What's there, if you wouldn't mind?
Please, go ahead.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. I want to know if you are in contact with the Brazilian President Bolsonaro after a member of his delegation who was with you Saturday was tested positive. And also, I want to ask another question, if you let me. Senators Lindsey Graham and also Senator Rick Scott are self-isolating. Are you planning to take any kind of precautionary measure to protect you and also your staff who was there?
No,
with him?
we have no symptoms whatsoever. And we had a great meeting with the president of Brazil, Bolsonaro, great guy, very tremendous. He's doing a fantastic job for Brazil. And as you know, he tested.
All right, guys, it's
negative.
just ranging out right
Nothing
now.
wrong this morning, and we
See
got
how
that
much
word too. Because we did have
going?
dinner with him. We were sitting next to each other for a long period of time.
But are you in contact with him over the coronavirus
No,
crisis?
Oh, okay.
we're
Yeah,
talking
hour
about
or
it
so.
country to country, but we did discuss if he had a problem. It was reported that he may have it, and he doesn't.
So this is the
fortunately.
new hour right here.
So much, Mr. President. Dr. Fauci
Yeah,
said
20
earlier this week that
2300
the lag
GMT
in
time, so
testing
that's,
was in fact
4
failing.
p.m.
Do you
Eastern
take
Standard Time for
responsibility
me.
for that? And when can you guarantee that every single American?
Hey guys, if you want to get the training, the knowledge, the know-how on how to do exactly what it is that I'm doing, then head over to the teachmethefisheffects.com and sign up. Very, very affordable trading community. All right. So head over, guys, if you want to learn how to do exactly what it is that I'm doing. All right. Knowing how to capitalize off of opportunities in the market, whether that's Forex, crypto, indexes, metals, then sign up and
So no, and what we have
we'll get you
done,
right. I'll get you right,
we're
okay?
gonna be
All right.
leaving a very indelible print for the future in case something
So
like
we're
this
at a
happens.
guaranteed
But it was
$105.55 out of our $116.75 overall profit right now. So
Tony, maybe you'd like to say something?
we want it to go up. We don't want it to bar for us. We don't want it to come on down. But hey, we're not going to be mad that I'm banking $105.
The
So
system was not designed for what it was designed for. It worked very well. The CDC designed a good system. If you want to get the kind of blanket testing and availability that anybody can get it, or you could even do surveillance.
all right, yeah.
to
So
find
it should
out what
be
the
getting
penetrance
ready to
is.
come down
You
here a
have
little
to
bit, but
embrace the private sector, and this is exactly what you're seeing, because you can't do it without it. So when I
108.
said that, I meant the system
So
was not designed for what we need. Now, looking forward,
we've
the
had 1,
system will
2,
take care of it.
3,
And
4,
Mr.
5.
President,
And
with respect,
interestingly, if you
can-
go back, please, if you go back to the swine flu, it was nothing like
So
this.
we're at a
They didn't
guaranteed
do
$108.
testing
All
like this, and
right,
actually
so
they
we're in the surgeon.
14,000
All right, we're in
people.
the surgeon
And
zone
they did
now.
the testing. They started
All right,
thinking about testing when we
$100+
started.
dollars.
They-
I didn't go
what
to.
we've done, and
I have some college
congratulations
guys.
to people who are respecting what we've done. We've done it very
no.
early. We've gotten it very early.
High
And
school
we've also
diploma.
kept a lot of people out.
Mr.
yes,
President,
year
the
and a
last
half,
administration
please.
said that they had tested a
Of
million
college.
people at this point. You've been
We'll ask them
testing
how they did with
Experience.
swine flu. It was a
But
disaster.
with respect, you've
But
been
I'm making.
Next, please.
I'm making.
They had a very
We're
good
making pretty
January.
close to
Very good
what a surgeon would make here today.
I want to ask you
So
about the European travel ban that goes
again,
into
you know,
effect at midnight tonight, and the exemption that you've offered to the
whenever the
UK.
market presents
There are
these things to us,
17
then we
countries
definitely want to take it.
so
All right,
close
you don't have to
to
trade off of the minute chart. You
that
can do
have
this off of
four
a daily chart. You don't wait for your
And
setups
just
to
in the last
happen.
24
All right,
hours, the UK has
the
added
guys who
208
have
coronavirus
traditional
cases
jobs or
to their total. Why does
see
it, Mr.
here.
President, deserve an exemption? And would you consider adding them to this travel ban list?
Well, that was recommended to me by a group of professionals, and we are looking at it based on the new numbers that are coming out, and we may have to include them in the list of countries that we will, you could say, ban or whatever it is during this period of time. But yeah, the numbers have gone up fairly precipitously over the last 24 hours, so we may be adding that.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna let the market play. All right, for right now, and I'll be back. All right, guys, the market has stalled there. It's 4:15. That's what it typically does. The S&P 500. That's what I noticed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. So but you guys see that I am in profit. I'm in profit overall, $114.51. However, we do have our stop loss up here at a guaranteed $108.46. All right, and so that's gonna put us at our $200 mark. Let me see. Here is our account history for the day. Our profit is $86.63. So let's just add the $86.63 plus our guaranteed 108.46. That puts us at 195.09. And again, if you guys are just starting out, you know, you guys are just trying to, you know, get things going, you know, for you and your family. $200 a day is not bad. Again, $200 a day is going to put you at $1,000 a week, $2,000 every 2 weeks, $4,000 a month, or roughly around $48,000 a year. And now you put that on top of your different businesses that you have, or even on top of, you know, your current job, and you're looking good. That's $48,000. That's $48,000. You know, in the hole for you. So. Again, if you guys are interested in learning how it is that I do this specifically, and head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up, and we'll get you going. We'll get you immediate access to the training. All right, immediate access to me, and get you prepared for this upcoming week. All right. Now, a beautiful thing I love about it is we can trade crypto throughout the weekend. All right. So I will be one of my go-tos is the Litecoin versus the USD. I'll throw that on the chart. All right. So as you guys can see, this is still moving. Okay. Litecoin USD, and you got the Bitcoin USD as well. All right. I mainly like the Litecoin again. This is kind of spread is kind of high, too high for me here. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.